Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Pots of Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys. So today we're gonna be doing some journaling pages, and I just gotta add a. Anyways, here we have for Monday we have the penny pages, and for Tuesday we have Savannah Paper Co's journaling pages, functionals, and her kit Christmas prep. So we're going to be doing the rest of the week. I'm going to be using, I probably should show you this one. We're going to be using a couple of kits. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Alright, so we're going to do, alright, let's start off with the first kit. Sorry. I'm going to be using some leftovers from my kits from Sassy Panico. I'm going to be using the, I think this one is the Snow Days. So this is what I have left over. Then we're going to use the Snuggle Up kit. And then we're going to be using the gingerbread. Alrighty. Also from Sassy Planico, we're going to be using Taco, Sleep, Day Off, Therapy, and Cooking. From Plan Frenzy, the school stickers. From Semi-Lim Planning. What is that? Class stickers. It says it right there. And we're also going to be using some items from Rose Colored Days. These are in silver foil. Alrighty, guys. So that is that. This is in my I want to say HP. Why did I say that? This is in my hybrid. Oh man, I'm gonna need another cup of coffee. My hybrid planner from TPC Nation A5Y. This one is the monthly, weekly, and 7 journaling pages in between the weeks. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna fast forward you now, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Alrighty, guys. The first kit up is from the Snow Days collection. This one I used in my A5 wide Aura Estelle Cloud. So the first sticker up is from Planet Frenzy. We also use the school sticker from Planet Frenzy. The therapy and the cooking stickers are from Sassy Planico. Illogical Planning for the TV stickers. Semi-Lim Planning school stickers. Medication sticker is from Sassy Planico, and the sleep sticker from Sassy Planico. Again, this kit is from Sassy Planico, and it is the Snow Day stickers. Next up, so also I want to mention that I'm going to be using the pen from her shop as well. And I do have this video up, and again, I apologize for the long intro. I just want to make sure that you guys get all the information. And next one up is the Snuggle Up kit. So, of course, again, the school sticker and the bus sticker from Sassy Planico. I don't know if I put this one up, but I used Mix-a-Cat because this day was another OPT day, calling on and off. What else? I used the cooking stickers, the doodle stickers from Sassy Planico, the school sticker from Semi-Lim Planning, the medicine sticker from Sassy Planico, another sticker from Illogical Planning, the TV sticker, and the sleep sticker is from Sassy Planico. I also used Brianna Nicole's stickers, and also the washi is from, and the overlay is from Rose Colored Days. I also used their day dots. Next one up is the gingerbread weekly kit. I use the Day All sticker from Sassy Planico. I'm also going to be using the Planner Frenzy school sticker. I lost track of it. That sticker right there is Luna taking out the trash. Also, another sleep sticker. Taco sticker is from Sassy Planico, the Planner Frenzy School Bus. I also use the traveling stickers. I don't know if I use it here. Is from Sassy Planico. And yeah, so the pen is from her shop as well. This one I also use for another weekly plan with me. And yeah, so we watched, I forgot what we watched on Netflix, but I do remember watching Hawkeye. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.